or you're having trouble booting up your computer due to this message, then make sure to watch this video to learn more. Now for the first method, try to open on your computer, locate your hard drive, then ensure that your hard drive is plugged in or seated properly, and you can also check both power cable and data cables on the hard drive. Then if you notice that your drive is not connected properly, power down your computer if it is not already, fix any connections like replugging, or restarting your drive as needed. After that, turn on your computer back on. Next, run the checklist tool. Just open your command prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then press enter. Now you have to make sure to replace this one with the drive letter of your boot drive checklist file. Lastly, reset the BIOS or UEFI to default. Just restart your computer and open the BIOS or UEFI as startup by pressing F2. Look for the BIOS UEFI reset option. Then this is usually found near the save or exit options, which may say load set of defaults, factory default, clear BIOS, or reset to default. Then, click the reset option, follow any on-screen instructions to confirm the choice, then save and exit once done. And that's how to fix the following error message in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.